Oh my god, there was this beautiful bag I saw in the Tory Burch store. The essay called it a hidden bag. So it's the Fleming bucket bag, which is a normal Tory Burch style, but in this gorgeous stoned, and I don't know how they, oh, I can't. I can't. It was like I saw that bag and I was just like, immediately yes. Immediately yes. Because that bag, I still can't get over it. Hi guys, it's Temi with YellowSparksJoy. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I got from the Tory Burch Spring Event. People who had signed up to their website would get an email giving them access to shop select items that were on sale. The sale was 25% off for every 200 you spend and 30% off for every 500 or more that you spend. So you could shop it online and you could shop it in the store if you just show them that the email that you received. So I put up a post on my YouTube and Instagram announcing the sale, and then I did a video showing my picks from the sale. Now if you did not catch any of that, I will leave that video linked in the description box below, and you should be following me on Instagram so you can get sale updates in real time, because that's where I post most of the time. Now I also post on my community feed here on YouTube, so you also want to subscribe to my channel so you can get those notifications when I push them out on my community feed. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and then go follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is also at YellowSparksJoy. So before I share what I purchased, let's do a quick shop with me. I was at the mall during the weekend of the sale because I wanted to check out the sale items at Tory Burch. First, I went into LV to check out the Speedies because I am considering buying a Speedy next. I was like, why do people like this bag? It's not pretty. But now I understand why. I mean, especially in the emprunt.
Yeah, like with your outfit, it's like not overly dressed up.
What other colors does it come in?
Well, it comes in so many other colors. Like there's a beige color, really nice too. And then
But like also in leather?
yeah, they all come in.
And then I got sidetracked by the Couson MM, which is a beautiful bag by the way. And then I tried on both the Speedy 25 and 30 and finally decided that the Speedy 30 is what I want. Finally made it to Tory Burch, and here is the Kira mini bag in the denim. And this is the Kira crochet mini bag and Kira crochet shoulder bag. Here are the Ella puffer totes in polyester satin. Comes in 3 colors: black, green, which is kind of like an olive army green, and then a gray heron. Comes in 2 sizes, the big size and the smaller size. I'm taking it.
190.
I'm taking it. Please add it. Can you add it to the bill?
I added.
Please add it. Thank you. This is so beautiful. These bags are off-season items, are already marked down in addition to the spring sale. Here is the Eleanor shoulder bag. This one is in brocade and has a bird detail. It's also included in the sale. And here are the soft mini Fleming bags with that quilted feature, and this is the beautiful gem that I just discovered. It is also the soft Fleming but in crochet and stone detail. I'm still amazed by this bag. Now this bag I've tried to find on the Tory Burch website, but I can't, so I don't know what it's called. But it does remind me of a Hermes Picotin. It also has Alexander McQueen elements. It reminds me of Loewe, reminds me of Polen. I don't know, it's just giving so many vibes. I do like it though. The leather was very soft. The interior felt very soft as well. I don't know what, I think it's just the other side of the leather, like the suede side of the leather. It also felt like it will hold quite a number of items, and it just felt like really good quality. And here are some new releases. This is the braided T Monogram Studio bag, and this is the braided Moon bag. So I had no intention to shop that sale, but when I was working on the video for my sale picks, I saw some really good items. And as you can see, I really do like Tory Burch handbags, especially her unique pieces, which is why I'm still thinking of that Fleming bucket bag. That bag was gorgeous. Anyway, I'm going to stop thinking about this bag I don't have and show you guys the bag that I actually do. I got 2 items from the spring event, and the first one is a small item, so it's an SLG. This item I've been wanting for a while. Actually, I've been looking for a black card case for a while. I'm not looking for it. I knew what I wanted. I wanted the YSL card case because I love that card case. I have the red medium wallet in grained leather and I absolutely love it. So I wanted the card case in the black on black, but I mean, it was kind of a bit too pricey for me just for a card case. I know it's worth it because it's YSL and YSL leather is awesome, but I just thought, you know, if there was something more affordable, then I would rather buy that. So I got the Tory Burch version, which I also like because I already have 2 Tory Burch card cases, one in red and one in yellow. I'll link my video on those below as well if you want to go watch those. And so I like the quality, I like the size, and I decided why not get the black one. But this is a black one with a twist, a beautiful twist. First of all, packaging, love. And this is the item. So this is the Kira card holder in black, but wait, this is the back. You want to see the front? Bam! Oh my god, like this is definitely a wonderful piece. So like it has that bejeweled T logo there. I mean, the camera is not doing it justice at all. Like this is much more prettier in person. You can only appreciate these jewels in person. There you go. It's looking a little bit better now, but it's not showing the bling or the shininess of it. Like it's just so beautiful. I love it. I mean, when I saw it online, I thought that it appeared more silver and I wasn't really sure about it. But then when I saw it in person, like I didn't even know they had it in store. I'd already bought the bag that I went there to buy, and then I just asked, like as an afterthought, do you have this card case? And the essay that was helping me was so excited because she was like, we have one more, this is the last one. She was so excited. And when I saw it in person, oh my god, like the stones on there just look so beautiful. They look like a piece of jewelry. That's the best way I can describe it. They look like a very expensive piece of jewelry. So yeah, I picked that up and I'm so happy I did. So this is called the Kira Chevron Pave logo card case in the color black, and it was on sale. It was already marked down, and then I got it for an additional 25% off because of the spring event. So yes, I'm very happy with this purchase. I think my search for a black card case is now finally over. Okay, so next is the big ticket item. I mean, it's not that big, but I surprised myself by buying this because I don't know, I just never thought I would, because it's, yeah, anyways, I'm just going to show you. I'm not even going to try and explain it or rationalize it. It was just an impulse purchase that I'm very, very happy I bought. Like, very, very happy. So, packaging. Can you see it? Can you see the bag already? It is the Tory Burch Ella Puffer Tote in the small size. It does not come with a dust bag, which is pretty strange because I'm pretty sure all my other Tory Burch purses have dust bags. So there's no dust bag in this one, but I don't know. Anyways, so when I saw this on the website, I'm like, I don't have a black tote in my collection. I need a black tote in my collection. I don't need it, but I wanted it. And a puffer one at that. And why I really, really liked this one was because, so there were two sizes, the larger size and this size. And I saw both of them in the store. But I like the smaller one because for my lifestyle, for the kind of person I am, items that I pack, I don't need that much space. This size was good enough, or is good enough for me and my lifestyle. I just have one kid, right? So we don't pack much when we go somewhere where I would need a tote. So I got this and I like it because it's a tote, like a regular shaped tote, but it has these snap buttons at the side. So you can wear it two ways. You can wear it in the square shape or you can wear it cinched up like that. So I think that is really beautiful. It will hold a laptop. It will definitely fit my laptop. I love the fact that it is made of nylon, so definitely great in any kind of weather. And it has the black leather accent. They had this in 3 colors: the black, the taupey brown type of color, and then the army green. So yeah, I just totally love it. I think it's a classic bag. It is simple, it is edgy at the same time, but it's also very functional and very versatile. So that's what it looks like on the bottom. It has leather there, which I think is great. It has leather paneling on the corners as well here, and then of course that T monogram in the middle, and the straps are also in leather. And look how cute the stitching is. The stitching in the handles are in the form of a T. I think that is just such a beautiful addition. And then you can see the snap buttons there. So you have 4. So you can either wear it like this or you wear it cinched in like that. This is what it looks like on the inside, and it has a magnetic snap closure on the inside there. So we just close it up like that, and that magnet is very strong, very, very strong. That bag is not opening without you working it. So let's take a look at the inside. It's very unstructured, so if you're the type of person who likes structured bags, you might want to add a bag insert. Otherwise, it's very, very lightweight, very mushy, soft, puffy, nylon-y. I love this bag. I love it more than I thought I would, but yeah, I totally love it bag. Like, so there, that's what you have on the inside. 1 zipper pocket at the back, and then 1 slip pocket in front. So that's really all there is to the bag. There's not much to it. It's just a very nice, very versatile tote. I just love it. I love how it looks. It's chic yet practical, and I got it for a good deal as well, you know, with the 25% off from the spring event. I think this is definitely a good deal and worth every cent that I paid for. So that's it, guys. That's what I bought from the Tory Burch Spring Event. Let me know if you want to see a what fits in this Ella mini tote, and I can definitely film one. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you here, and hit the tiny notification bell beside the subscribe button so you can get notified every single time I upload a new video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.